Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Stay with us. We're going on a talk-through tour of this amazing Malibu mansion, brand new on the water. And stay with us. Just a short video today on this one, but what a fabulous pool to start with. Wide, long, good for the laps, great garden and shrubberies, all the area to relax and unwind. Then we go inside and we see the Grand Pacific Ocean at Malibu. Huge landing outside, big, giant indoor-outdoor flow, great use of furnishings. It is a massive, massive lounge. We're sitting at $70 million. $70 million, ladies and gentlemen. And that is because of the position and because the house is simply tremendous. 5 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, great use of door. Look at this flow out here. It's just amazing. And wood floors, big, ginormous kitchen, and of course that 10,500 square feet property. Love the light fittings here. Beautiful Scandinavian style timbers used. And of course a lovely private study in the respect of sound acoustics. So we've got these glass doors all around, glass paneling, but you can see out to what's going on outside. And then a wonderful indoor-outdoor flow on the bedroom as well. Ah yes, happy days up on the TV, and a fire pit style fireplace there too. Again, the bathrooms opening up to get those cool and warm breezes of California's Malibu. We see this quite exquisite bath and a huge shower in a light green tile. Double sinks there. It is simply exquisite. And into the movie theater, all the gumballs are ready. James Bond is there, Roger Moore to be precise, and it's a beautiful theater. And there it is. That wraps it up. That was a short one, wasn't it? Short and sweet for $70 million. 218 or 24186 K Street, Case Court, Malibu, California 90265. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.